Hi, this is Mahdi from InstaWebWorks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create folders and subfolders for custom modules. So if you come to our extension settings, under the module settings, you can find 5 modules. So these are the default modules. And for these default modules, we already have 5 folders created inside our Workdrive. You can see in the Workdrive, under the CRM folder ext, we have 5 folders for those 5 respective modules. But for the custom modules, we don't have it. So we need to do those setups. And in this video, I'm going to show you. First of all, I have created this custom module. And for this custom module, we will create 2 fields. One field is to save the root folder ID and another to save the shared links. So first of all, I'm going to add a single line where I'm going to save the Workdrive folder ID, and then a multi-line where I'm going to save the share link. For the share link, it has to be an URL or multi-line field. I'm going to show you later where we're going to use these two. Hit save. Now we'll go to the setup, then go to workflow rules. We'll create a new rule. Select the custom module. Give it a name. Create custom module folder. Next. Execute this workflow rule based on record action. When create for all custom module, custom action, create Workdrive setting, Easy Workdrive. Here we have 3 options. We're going to select the first one, create Workdrive folder. So we will select this first one, static root folder, which is all custom module will be saved in one specific root folder. Now I'm going to select the root folder. Team folder is this one, CRM folder ext, which is created by the extension by default. Here we have the 5 default modules and create new folder. I'm going to give it a name, save, and select the custom module folder. Here we're going to have to give it a structure. I'm going to select a field from the module. So I'm going to press on Shift, then 3, which is hash in my keyboard, and then select the field. I'm going to select this one, custom module name, which is the name of the record. We can also have subfolders. Just click on this plus, then we can give it a name. Again, we press on Shift, then 3, which is hash, and select a field from the module. So I'm going to give it this email to be the subfolder name. Now I'm going to save the folder structure. Here you can see that we need to save the folder ID to a field, and we will say yes, I want to save the folder ID, and we can select which field we will save the folder ID to. So I'm going to select this one, Workdrive folder ID, and then you can see we have another option to generate external share URLs. You can say no if you want, but for this video, I'm going to say yes, view or download only shared links, and we will save them in the share link field. If I hit save, we need to give it a name, save and associate, then hit save. Now, if I come to the custom module and create a new record. Give it a name, an email. Hit save. Now go to the Workdrive. Under the custom module, we will find this new folder with the record name, and inside that folder we will find a subfolder with the email name. Now if I come to the record, you can see that there are no related list widget for this custom module. We need to add the related list. Click on add related list, then click on widgets. Then you find this Workdrive by EasyPluginz widget, and then you need to install it. Then you need to provide a name. I'm going to give it a name with Easy Workdrive, and then hit save. Now you can see the related list, and if I click over here, you can find the extension widget over here. Now for the first time, you need to select the field of the folder ID, and this is the folder ID field. This is a one-time process. Afterwards you don't need to do it. Hit save. Now you can find the widget, and this is the root folder and this is the subfolder. I'm gonna upload a file. This is the list view, and we also have the grid view. So this is how you can create folders and subfolders for custom modules, and also add the related list for the custom modules. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.